Hi, welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman and this new arrival 2024 Sea Ray 290 SDX Outboard. You'll see we've equipped this boat with the stone interior as well as the aft-facing loungers. It's a really great spot to sit out when you're out at the sandbar, anchored up. You can look out over the transom. We've also got a nice little storage container here, cup holders. It's a really great spot to hang out. With this being the 290, we also have this port side swim terrace that flips down into the water, so it can go down. It's a really great place to board the boat, also a great place to just sit in the water and hang out. You'll notice here we've got our twin 250s in white. We've got the boat on a joystick skyhook system right now, so we're actually anchored here in place while these boats are running. It has a sport exhaust as well. It's a really cool feature. Moving forward through the boat, we've got a little block off door here, as well as a transom shower. You can spray yourself off when you're coming in. Got a Fusion audio head unit as well as a 12 volt for your inflatables. Really great transom setup back here. We've optioned this boat with a boarding step. Makes getting onto a high dock really easy. And then as we continue forward here, you'll see we've obviously got the sink as part of the entertainment center. We've got a garbage can in here, as well as your dedicated storage for your covers for this setup. As we walk into the boat, you'll notice we've got the SeaDeck flooring. And again, the stone interior complements it very well. We've got the teak table out right now and set up. It does have a leaf on it, so it'll fold up to compress and it can be stowed away. One big feature of this 290 SDX is the storage on board. We've got really great storage under all the seats. You'll notice in here we've got our bow filler cushion and some of the owner's manuals. And then also some great flexibility. On both port and starboard, you have this flip-flop style lounger. So you can turn it into a real big entertainment area when you're not out riding on the boat. And when you're ready to get going, flip both seats facing forward, and you've got bolsters that come up. Talking about the helm station here, we've got a Mercury joystick system, as well as our twin throttles and binnacle. Really great setup, really commanding position. You'll notice them up here on the bolster. We're also going to have our Fusion audio, toggle switches for your lights and things like that, and your trim tab controls over here. Really well laid out, very simple, easy to use. In addition to that, we've optioned this boat with the larger Simrad screen. So you're gonna have all kind of things like your chart plotter, your Mercury digital gauging, and then fuel levels and all that kind of stuff. On the port side, this boat does have a head compartment, pretty deep. You'll notice we've got a couple fenders stored in there right now, but it's a great spot to put some items, some covers. Of course, always useful as a head as well. And a glove box. Good for your keys, phones, stuff like that. Walking forward under our water sports tower with bimini top, this boat does have a bow block-off door. So you can keep the weather out, as well as a fold-over windshield, and some great storage under here as well. These seats lift up. You've got cooler boxes on both sides, and great access to your windlass anchor up here at the bow, which can be controlled from the helm. If you like this boat, want to check it out in person, or want to see any of our others, give us a call, check us out online, or stop by today. Thanks for watching.